In the world of e-commerce, entrepreneurs at every stage are searching for the perfect platform to showcase and sell their goods. With the rising trend of individuals leaving their day jobs to embark on their own business ventures, the choice between platforms like Shopify and Etsy has become more crucial than ever. Today, we're diving deep into the comparison of Shopify versus Etsy to help you decide which platform might be the best fit for your business. And by the way, if you would like to sign up to either Shopify or Etsy, make sure to use my links down in the description of this video. Those are affiliate links, which means that if you click and sign up through them, I will receive a small commission, which I'll be very grateful for. And with that in mind, let's get started. Imagine stepping into a world where your business dreams come to life, a place where your products find their way into the hearts and homes of customers worldwide. That's what Shopify and Etsy offer, but they do it in their own special ways. Picture Shopify as your very own slice of the internet, a digital storefront that's all yours, where you can paint the walls any color you like and showcase everything from handmade crafts to the latest fashion trends. It's like having a shop with your name above the door, but online. Etsy, on the other hand, is like a bustling marketplace filled with unique finds from the handcrafted jewelry to vintage clothes and beyond. It's a rich collection for those who love things with a story, a community where creators and collectors come together. Now, let's talk about getting started without breaking the bank. Shopify rolls out the red carpet with a taste of what's to come, offering a 3-day peek into its world for free, then letting you dive deeper for just $1 the first month. If you're dreaming big and want to reach out across various online channels, think about their $79 monthly plan. But if you're a numbers person needing all those reports and insights, then the $299 option might be your best bet. And for those dipping their toes into the e-commerce water, Shopify is a cozy start at $9 a month, perfect for selling on social media or adding a shopping cart to your blog. On the flip side, Etsy welcomes you with open arms for a whole 30 days, giving you a sneak peek at its Etsy Plus plan. For $10 a month after that, you're treated to goodies like listing credits, ad bonuses, and even special ways to customize your shop's look. But let's not forget the elephant in the room: fees. Shopify keeps it simple, a little slice of the pie with each sale starting at 2.4% plus 30 cents, inching up a bit with more budget-friendly plans. Etsy's approach is a bit more like a puzzle with no monthly fee for the standard setup, but a few more pieces to fit together. Think of it as paying a tiny bit to showcase each product, then a small cut for each sale, topped off with a fee for processing payments. It's a mix that might take a little more figuring out, but for many, the vast audience and community spirit make it worth the effort. Customer support isn't just a feature, it's a lifeline for sellers navigating the complexities of e-commerce. Shopify shines brightly here, boasting round-the-clock support through chat, email, and phone. Imagine having a question at 2 a.m. and still being able to get an answer. That's Shopify's level of commitment. Etsy also offers support, but it's a bit like navigating a maze to get phone assistance. You might end up waiting up to 5 days for an email reply, which can feel like an eternity when you're in a pinch. When it comes to making your online shop look just right, Shopify and Etsy take different roads. Shopify hands you the paintbrush with its easy-to-use drag and drop tools, allowing you to design your store any way you see fit. It's like playing a video game where you create your dreams shop. Etsy, on the other hand, places you within a vast marketplace. They do offer Etsy Pattern, giving you a bit more creative control, but it's like drawing within the lines compared to Shopify's blank canvas. Now, think about the relationships you build with your customers. Shopify understands the value of this connection, allowing you to gather customer emails. This means you can send out newsletters, updates, or even a simple thank you note directly. It's a powerful way to keep your customers coming back. Etsy, in its unique approach, opts for a more hands-off interaction, limiting communication to within its platform. While this might help keep things simple, it could also mean missing out on creating deeper customer connections. Adopting a dual platform strategy is a clever move for many savvy entrepreneurs. They start by tapping into Etsy's enormous audience to get their products noticed. But as their brand grows, the allure of Shopify's flexibility becomes too strong to ignore. Eventually, many make the shift entirely to Shopify, seeking lower fees, more control, and a direct line to their customers. It's like starting in a bustling market square and then moving to your own boutique shop where every detail reflects your vision. Now, deciding whether Shopify or Etsy is your business's soulmate comes down to knowing yourself, your business, and your dreams for the future. Picture yourself just starting out, your products ready to see the world. If your creations fall into the handmade or artisan categories, imagine stepping into Etsy's vast marketplace. It's like being at a giant craft fair where the cost of setting up your stall is surprisingly low. This environment can be a game changer for those just dipping their toes into the entrepreneurial waters. Now, let's shift the scene. You've been around the block, your brand has loyal followers, and you're itching for more control over your store's look and the way you talk to your customers. Enter Shopify, like a sturdy ship ready to sail you into the open seas of e-commerce. With Shopify, your brand gets to steer the ship from the design of your store to crafting personalized emails. It's a platform that grows with you, bending and stretching to fit your expanding dreams. In conclusion, both Shopify and Etsy offer valuable pathways to online retail success. Your decision should be informed by your business model, product types, and growth aspirations. Whether you choose the customizable brand-centric approach of Shopify or the vibrant community-driven marketplace of Etsy, understanding the nuances of each platform will empower you to make the best choice for your entrepreneurial journey. And don't forget that if you would like to sign up to either Shopify or Etsy, you can use my links down in the description of this video. Those are my affiliate links, which means that if you sign up through them, I will receive a small commission, which I'll be very grateful for. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.